everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video, we will learn how to completely remove the Internet Explorer web browser from our Windows 10 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. So to do that, we need to make a right click on this window icon here and then click on Run options. And once this Run window will come up on our screen, please type appwiz and .cpl. So it's appwiz.cpl. After typing, please click on OK. And you will see that the Programs and Features window will come up on our screen. Here we can uninstall or install a program. So please go scroll down and look for Internet Explorer. And you might not found Internet Explorer here. So what are we going to do is to go to this left pane and click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Now, after clicking on that, this window will come up on our screen. And here, all we need to do is just look for Internet Explorer. So I don't have that in my machine or in my device, so please click on it in your device if you see one. Now scroll down a little bit and see if there are more other Internet Explorer options or Internet Explorer folders. Once you found them, please check everything, and after checking or after clicking, you can now click on OK. And once you click on OK, please make sure that you select the Restart button. After clicking the Restart button and after making a quick restart with your laptop or device, please see if the Internet Explorer is gone from your device. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you on the next one.